Celery juice has become a wellness sensation, capturing the attention of health enthusiasts around the globe. The vibrant green elixir is praised for its potential to offer a myriad of health benefits when consumed daily. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the science behind celery juice and uncover 10 remarkable benefits that may unfold when you make it part of your daily routine. Number 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Celery is not your average green vegetable, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, celery juice can be a game changer for your overall health. Let's explore the many ways celery juice will benefit your body. First, celery contains a good amount of several vitamins, including vitamin A, which is known for supporting your vision and immune health, vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health, and vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and promotes skin health. In addition to vitamins, celery also contains several beneficial minerals, like potassium, which is critical for your heart health and maintaining a healthy fluid balance, and folate, which is vital for cell division and DNA synthesis. And in addition to the vitamins and minerals, celery contains a healthy dose of antioxidants. Celery contains flavonoids and beta-carotene, which help combat oxidative stress and damage to the cells in your body. Number 2, hydration boost. Staying hydrated is fundamental to good health. Our bodies are about 60% water, and celery juice can be a refreshing ally in this journey. With its high water content of about 95%, celery juice helps replenish fluids and provides a natural source of electrolytes, supporting optimal hydration levels throughout the day. Number 3, digestive health. If you've been struggling with digestive issues, celery juice might offer the relief you're seeking. The natural fibers in celery promote a healthy digestive system by aiding in regular bowel movements and supporting optimal nutrient absorption. Additionally, celery contains a unique type of fiber called pectin, known for its prebiotic properties that nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Number 4, detoxification. One of the buzzworthy claims surrounding celery juice is its potential to assist in detoxing your body. The combination of antioxidants, including coumarins and polyacetylenes, coupled with celery's natural diuretic properties, may help flush out toxins from the body. This detoxification process is thought to contribute to a cleaner and healthier internal environment. Number 5, anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is a common denominator in many health issues, from autoimmune diseases to fatigue and cancer. Celery juice has several anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to compounds like luteolin and polyacetylenes. Regular consumption of celery juice may contribute to reducing inflammation, which, in addition to the conditions we mentioned above, is often linked to other conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and inflammatory bowel diseases. Number 6, weight management support. For those on a weight management journey, celery juice can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. It is low in calories, making it a smart choice for those looking to support their weight goals. The combination of hydration, fiber, and essential nutrients makes celery juice a satisfying and nutrient-dense option for those mindful of their calorie intake. A lot of celery juice drinkers like to start the day with a glass of celery juice fresh from a juicer. This routine will help you fill up to start the day and provide you with a lot of good hydration. Number 7, glowing skin. Celery juice may just be the secret ingredient for radiant skin. The foods we eat have so much to do with the health and appearance of our skin. The antioxidants in celery, along with its anti-inflammatory properties, contribute to healthier skin by combating free radicals and soothing inflammation. Many individuals report improvements in skin clarity and a natural glow after incorporating celery juice into their daily regimen. Studies have shown that diets with a high amount of colorful vegetables actually provide a natural tan without needing any sunlight exposure. Number 8, balances pH. Maintaining a balanced pH level in the body is crucial for overall health. Foods like fast food and those high in sugar and inflammatory ingredients make your body more acidic. In general, an alkaline or basic diet is considered more healthy than an acidic diet. While celery juice alone may not drastically change the body's pH, it is considered alkalizing due to its rich mineral content. An alkaline environment is believed to support various bodily functions and may help counteract the acidic nature of certain foods in the modern diet. Number 9. Improved blood pressure. Potassium, a key mineral found in celery juice, plays a significant role in regulating blood pressure. By promoting vasodilation, the widening of your blood vessels, potassium helps lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of celery juice may contribute to cardiovascular health by supporting optimal blood pressure levels. Number 10. Enhanced immune function. Last but certainly not least, celery juice can play a role in fortifying and boosting your immune system. The combination of vitamins A and C, along with antioxidants, provides valuable support to the immune system. A robust immune system is essential for warding off infections and maintaining overall health. Now that we've explored the myriad of benefits associated with celery juice, you might be wondering how to make it a seamless part of your daily routine. Here are some practical tips. First, consider starting your day with a glass of freshly squeezed celery juice on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Next, keep it simple. Blend a bunch of fresh celery stalks with water and strain the juice for a quick and easy drink. And if you get tired of plain celery juice, experiment with adding other hydrating ingredients like cucumber or a splash of lemon juice to enhance the flavor. While the benefits of celery juice are significant, it's crucial to approach its consumption with a balanced perspective. Here are some potential downsides and considerations. Some individuals may be allergic to celery, leading to adverse reactions. For other people, celery juice's fiber content may be too intense, causing some digestive discomfort. And like any health trend, moderation is crucial. Consuming excessive amounts of celery juice may lead to imbalances in your body. So as you can see, incorporating celery juice into your daily routine can unlock a multitude of health benefits, from supporting hydration and digestive health to providing essential nutrients and promoting glowing skin. Celery juice has earned its place as a wellness superstar. However, it's essential to listen to your body, practice moderation, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.